Today I wanted to make a quick video about RCS or Rich Communication Services because I think it's under a lot of people's radars. So this is new since iOS 18 and it has even better support in iOS 26 with end-to-end encryption. And what this basically is like a modern version of SMS. So it's cross-carrier, cross-OS communication. And the really cool thing is that it is for free, at least for certain providers. It's also free for if you're abroad and want to send a message home. It is really cool. It's supported on Android, it's supported on iOS, since, as I said, iOS 18, and has even better support on iOS 26 with end-to-end encryption. And I tried this out last month because I wanted to see, I'm currently abroad and I have friends in Germany that I have been trying this with because they're on Android devices. So I texted them, I sent them cute cat pictures and so on. And at the end of the month, I wanted to check if it's really free. Like, is the invoice that I got from my provider the same as every month? And it was. So I was really happy to see that. So now I can chat with my friends without WhatsApp, without Signal, without them having an iPhone, which I really enjoy. And at least on the iPhone, I don't have an Android, but on the iPhone it is a really good experience. It just feels like using iMessage, except that the bubbles are green. Otherwise, you get the same speed of sending a message. You can send super large images. You can send videos as well, as far as I know. I also know that it's possible to send and receive reactions. Currently, the support there is still a little bit brittle, it seems like, because instead of seeing the reaction pop up on a message, you just get a message like Tim reacted with a heart or something like that. So yeah, but in general, I'm pretty excited about this. And Apple has this support document that I was just reading. It explains the differences between iMessage and RCS and SMS as well. It definitely is worth the read if you're interested in this, because I think it should be, especially that it is end-to-end encrypted, is so cool. So this thing is automatically already better than something like Telegram or something, and it is built into every phone. So it's really cool. They have this support document here where you can check out which carrier supports which features. And let me see. Let's go to Germany because it is interesting for me. But you can see even the cheaper carriers already support the end-to-end encrypted RCS messaging, even though Apple says it's still in beta. I assume that it will come out of beta in iOS 27 in September. So then we will have full support for a very secure way of communicating with each other completely for free across OS. And that makes me, yeah, you can see it's supported basically. Okay, it's not support for Vodafone. Interesting. Anyways, that was the video. I just wanted to put this on your radar because I think it's a pretty interesting feature, and I really like that you can use it across OS. And I'm going to be using it. I'm not going to use WhatsApp or Signal to contact my friends now. So that's all for today.